The voice you're hearing right now, I made it using a completely free tool no ElevenLabs use today. This tool is 100% free and offers over 400 voices in different languages. To get started, simply go to Google and search for Speechma. Open the Speechma website. No need to sign up or create an account. Step 1. Paste your script directly into the text box. Next, scroll down and select your preferred speaker and language. You can preview the voice before generating to see which one sounds right for your content. Once you've chosen your voice, enter the verification code shown on the screen and click on Generate Voice. The voice will start generating. Once it's done, you can listen to it directly on the platform or download it for use in your videos. Speechma is a great free alternative for voice generation. It's perfect for quick or backup tasks. But if you're looking for more advanced quality, ElevenLabs still offers a starter plan for just $1 for new users. You can check that out too. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.